Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
Greetings to all gathered here for the pitch presentation. In the first place, let me introduce ourselves. Myself, Janvi Suryavanshi.
Myself, Rucha Redigal.
And we are from AICT Innovation Cell from Government Polytechnic, Mumbai.
And I'm Kiara Nazareth from WIPCure in Mumbai.
Today we are here to present a project on the topic named Mind Controlling Unit using EEG sensor.
Have you ever wondered how difficult it is for disabled people to go about their daily activities? It could be as simple as turning the lights on, turning the switch on. This all becomes a huge task for them. Our solution to that is this product. This product has two EEG sensors that are connected to your frontal lobe. They help in collecting data and making the process easier for them by connecting to home appliances.
Like every problem has a solution. Let me tell you how we are looking forward to solve this problem. Our product uses EEG sensor to collect the data from the brain, and that data will be used to operate different appliances by converting that data into digital form, that is 0 or 1. When the output will be 0, it will be turning off the appliances, and when the output will be 1, it will turn on the appliances. Firstly, when we are collecting the data, it will be in the sine wave form, and then we will convert it into digital form by using microcontroller, and it will be compelling because it is easy to use.
So talking about the features and advantages of our product, it will be affordable as the cost will be much less, and it will be easy to use because the product itself is designed to minimize the stress of the user, so it becomes easy to use for the user, and it is durable because all the sensors and the hardware components will be properly checked before use. Also, it will be time saving for the user. Our product is designed for the user to be less dependent on others, providing some ease and comfort to their lives.
Talking about the addressable market of the product, total addressable market is India and serviceable addressable market is Maharashtra. And also our product will be used by the people who are 21 years or above them for both male and female.
Previously, EEG technology was just used in the medical field to treat brain disorders. But we are going to be using these EEG centers to connect to our data while giving us information in the form of connecting these home appliances, like I mentioned before, to make life easier for them.
Now talking about the business model or arriving the product in a market, there are no potential competitors and we are the only ones attempting this. As the sensors collect signal directly from the brain, so there is no use for the user to physically go and operate any device. So we get advantages like the products become user friendly. Also it will save the time, and it is an open source project because the conversion of data from sine wave to digital form will be done using an open source software. And nextly, talking about the barriers of the project, as of now no barriers exist for us.
Let's now see how our product will be in the market. So we are planning to sell our product through online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. because we will gain benefits such as wide reach, then trusted reputation, then we will gain much customers, and also the payment processing like we can a COD or then debit card, credit card. And also the product is quite new. So it will if we turn into reality, it will gain a lot of scope, and also it will create a positive impact on the society.
So that was it from our side. We would like to hear questions from you.
Great. First of all, I love your confidence saying that, okay, there are no competitors or you don't have barriers. Great that you're in that state of mind, but there's some more research that I would like you guys to do. Because although as a product, there might not be something which is available on Amazon, but this thing as a tech, EEG as a tech exists since long, we agree on that, right? And there have been a lot of companies doing extensive amount of research on a number of stages. So just look up for what you're trying to establish with them. In terms of connecting through your appliances, like to your appliances through the EEG signals, again, there are projects that exist. Just try to find your differentiator. What is it?
Actually, we saw Elon Musk project, but it was quite different from ours. So
No, I'm not mentioning about OpenAI particularly. That's one part.
Yes,
that
and
is
also
being
we are
done.
planning to take this product in the new version with the help of IoT. So over there, we will transmit the signals and the receiver will receive it, and through the Wi-Fi connection we will do that for the
Okay.
next.
You've made a prototype of sorts?
It's just a prototype right now. We have to implement it. We are doing this.
We are currently in the state where we're going to implement it. Some
Okay.
days.
So I just wanted to know about your mindset, like why you have chosen this idea.
Like because it's very quite hard for physically disabled people to for each and every work they do. So our solution will just help them in switching the devices on and off so that they are not much dependent on other people.
Okay, and you have mentioned about the open source project. So what was the project name?
Through EEG, we will get the output first in sine wave form, and to convert that into digital, microcontroller will be used. So for that, we are gonna do it on the open source software of the Arduino.
Okay.
So is it a particular Arduino library that you're looking at, or is there an algorithm that already exists? Was his question.
No, we'll do it on a software.
Like, have you researched on an open source project which is already available and working right? Like, what you are expecting from that project?
No, not.
Okay. And what is the microcontroller name which you will be using for it?
So any particular version of
particular
Arduino
version
that
of
you have
micro-
zeroed down to that, okay, this would be suitable for your sensor. Okay. So there's an immense amount of research that you guys still need to do. Go on, do that. Rest apart, the idea would work. We know the tech works. Just figure those tiny bits out. Should be good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.